Hi, this is Dr. Wes Fryer. Today's October the 16th, 2020, and I'd like to show you briefly how you can create and edit managed bookmarks. So here on our student logins in our middle school, we have a little folder that appears for everybody on their Chrome toolbar here, and we call them Cassidy bookmarks for our school, and these are bookmarks that immediately go to websites that students go to frequently. And I've been using these in fifth grade Spanish class, for instance, to put our projects that students are doing so they can very readily get to this gallery and then add them. What I need to do right now is add another link here for some projects we're doing with Scratch and making maze programs. So I've logged in here to our Google admin console. This has changed recently, and I'm actually doing this for my own reference as well as because this might help someone else. So this has changed a little bit in terms of the clicks. You're going to go ahead and select devices in the admin console. And again, this is what a Google administrator is going to have to do for your school. Then here under Chrome devices, you're going to click Chrome devices, but then there's a little drop down now at the top. This used to be under, I think, Chrome management. So now you need to click this drop down by devices, and you're going to go down to settings. So this is going to be the user settings for individual folks in your organization. And what you're going to want to do on the left side is select the child domain that this is going to apply to. So I am going to apply this just for our middle school students. And now I want to go down to the managed bookmarks section. So I'm going to just do a Command F here on my Mac and search for bookmarks. And I will be able to jump down here to this section which says managed bookmarks, and so here you can see they all are. So when I want to add a new bookmark here, I click this little plus icon, and that's going to add, once I click it, there you go, it's going to go down here to the bottom and it's going to add a line so I can put some more information. So I'm going to say fifth grade Scratch maze projects, okay? And then I'm going to paste in the link which I'd already copied to my clipboard for that particular link. I haven't figured out a way to reorder these. You can't drag them around like you could with some other things. You can delete them, but I don't know, for some reason you just can't reorder them. Now I'll go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of this page where it's up at the top, upper right corner. I'm going to click on save. And now that bookmark setting has been saved, and it takes some time, well, usually a little bit for that to appear here. So I don't think that's probably going to show up right away. It's going to be a link that's below this, and probably by the time I just quit this recording, it's gonna show up there. There it is at the very bottom. So this is the one I just added, fifth grade Scratch maze projects. And the beauty of this is, by adding that bookmark, every single student in our middle school can have access to that. All my fifth graders can get access to it. So it really is a great way to streamline access to websites. Of course, you can put things in Google Classroom and other places that students are going to be able to go to, but as part of my classes, both in computer class, or I should say media literacy class for fifth and sixth grade as well, especially for our fifth graders who have Chromebooks. Our sixth graders have iPads this year. This is an important thing that we learn how to do, is go to Cassidy Bookmarks, and then we can access the sites that we need. So that's how to do it. I'm sure it's going to change again, but as I record this in mid-October 2020, those are the steps.